Hi students, standard 9th, subject social science, chapter number 18, wildlife, and video number 4. First of all, we'll take a revision of video number 3 quickly. In video number 3, we learn two topics. One is important national parks and sanctuaries of India and bioreserve zone. If you remember that, in that video, I shown one map also of different colors of pen. In that we talk about different national parks in our country and which wildlife are protected in that national park, sanctuaries and bioreserve zone. Now another topic we conduct in video number 3 is dangers to wildlife, or what are the reasons for the destruction of wildlife. As usual, we have I think so completed 7 to 9 points for the destruction of wildlife, different reasons. Now today also we'll be having two different topics. First number is remedies for wildlife conservation, and another topic is steps taken to nurture the wildlife. Now this both the topic is similar, we can say too similar, but we make a different because we're having a different content for that is why. Now most important note for the students, please watch entire or you can say whole video, because you'll be getting exact understanding of these all topics. That is why after that you will take the help of worksheet, doesn't matter, but first of all you need to see or you can say watch carefully the full video. So first topic will take remedies for wildlife conservation. Now students, this is a one question also you can consider, and it is a 3 marks question. In examination it will maybe ask for 3 marks, so it is too much important for us. First of all, we need to understand what the remedies means. What? It's a one kind of steps only. I already told you that it is two similar topic, remedies and steps, but remedies is also steps, but in steps we will talk about different thing. That is why. Now first, remedies for wildlife conservation. So here we'll mention 6 to 7 points, or you can say 7 to 8 points for the remedies for wildlife conservation. It means in which way we can protect the wildlife. So first point, a long term planning is necessary to conserve and increase forest area. It means what happened? A long-term planning is needed. Why? Because to increase the forest area. If forest will be having too much broad area for the forest, so we'll be having you can say number of wildlife in that. But if we have a less forest area, so wildlife is also too less we have. Second point, we shall have to be more dedicated to implement strong legal provisions and their implementation of their strict. Why strict we can say? Because in our country what happened, rules are made but it is not implemented, or you can say followed carefully. For the conservation of wildlife. You must remember these all points, and by watching the video you can get idea. Another one is that various social NGO means non-government organizations, should give this a top priority and arrange public awareness. Why public awareness? Because if public is not aware about that, then it will be a problem, because we must have to understand that the rules and norms implemented by the government. That is why public awareness program should be necessary. Another one is that the problems or these problems should be included in the school syllabus and make future generation and make a future citizen or generation aware. Then cutting of long, or you can say large trees, cutting of large trees outside the forest area should be stopped, because if we cut the trees, then automatically what happen, the entire habitants, those who are living in that, the wildlife lost their shelter, so they automatically disappear or they come to the human areas. Then another, or you can say last topic, to manage forest fire and anticipatory planning should be made for patrolling and safety. Now what is patrolling, student? Patrolling means to carefully watch to that particular species. It is called patrolling. Now we'll be having today's other topic, steps, second number, taken to nurture the wildlife. It is also, we can say, 3 marks question, so please remember it carefully. In that also we'll be having 6 to 7 points only. Now steps, which kind of steps we have taken to nurture the wildlife? So since early times laws have been framed in our country to protect the wildlife. It is a first point. Now we'll take a second point of that. Second point, laws were framed to protect wildlife in the time of great Maurya king Ashok. Please remember these things. Okay, it means in our country laws are already implemented since early times. You can take the example of that Maurya king Ashoka already implemented rules and regulation for the protection of wildlife. Now, but Parliament here, third number point, Parliament has passed a Wildlife Conservation Act according to recommendations of Indian Wildlife Board. Now, this fourth and fifth number point, see carefully because it is too much important. In 2014, there were 503 sanctuaries, 102 national parks, and 14 bioreserves are there in our country. So please remember the numericals. I make the underlines. 503 sanctuaries, 102 national parks, and 14 bioreserves in our country. Out of in India. Now, out of this 22 sanctuaries, 4 national park, 4 national parks and 1 bioreserve zone happen to be in Gujarat. It means total 503 sanctuaries in India, but in 2014, 22 sanctuaries in Gujarat, 102 national parks in India, we have 4 national parks, 14 bioreserve zone in India, and we have 1 bioreserve zone. It is located in Gulf, you can say Run of Kutch. Now, next point. So we can say some protection schemes are planned for those species which are on verge of extinction. Let us know about some of this project. It means whenever some species or you can say animals are going to be extinct from the earth, or you can say our area, so government has launched some special schemes, or you can say some special project to conserve or you can say save these particular species. In that, first number will be having Tiger Project. So today's our third topic is Tiger Project. Please remember that it may be asked in 2 marks. This project launched in 1973 against hunting and decreasing number of number of tigers, because due to hunting the number is totally decreased. This was implemented for 9 reserve areas, under which now 48 areas are covered. So it is the important topic, Tiger Project. This project was launched in 1973 to hunting and decreasing number of tigers, and this was implemented in 9 reserve area. It means it is first implemented in 9 reserve area. That 9 reserve area cover 48 areas total. Now another topic is that Lion Project. Lion Project. So there was a time when Asiatic lions were found up to Iran in the Asian subcontinent. Now you just see that there was a time when Asiatic lions were found up to Iran in the Asian subcontinent, but now what happened? Due to hunting, the reduction in the forest area, the lions are now restricted to Gir forest of Saurashtra only. It means now lions you can find only in Gir forest area, not apart from these areas. Now another topic of this, in 1972 this project, or you can say a project, was started in Gir only to protect the Asiatic lions. Gir, to protect Asiatic lion. As a result, what happened when the lion census held in 2015? So at that time we can find the number of lion is 523. So it is good news for that time, because due to this project we increase the number of lion. Apart from this, we can say other project. Now other project means here I will not write the information of it, but we'll write only the name. First of all, Hangul project for the rare species of Barasinga deer in Kashmir. Hangul is a one kind of deer found in the Kashmir. To protect this, they have started the project. Apart from this, crocodile project for the saline water crocodile. Rhino project for the protection of Indian rhino, because one horn rhino, as we all know that we already found that one horn rhino, it is very dangerous, but it will found in the only in swampy areas of Brahmaputra. Snow leopard project So today we completed the chapter number 18, students. Today we have taken 2 topics: remedies for wildlife conservation and steps taken to nurture the wildlife. In that steps, it means the project which started by the government, that also we have discussed. Now please complete your worksheet carefully and watch the video carefully, and all the students are requested to watch the full and entire video. Thank you, students.